seize the time of year for being with the ones that we love, sharing so much joy and cheer. What a wonderful feeling, watching the ones we love having so much fun. I was sitting by the fireside, taking a walk through the snow, listening to a children's choir, singing songs about Jesus in the blessed way that He came to us. Why can't it remain?
What's that? Yeah.
Oh, through the years,
Yeah.
each day the same. Lord, that's what I wanna hear.
What's that?
Oh, it's truly amazing, that spirit of Christmas.
Wow, did you see that back?
All the kinfolk gather around the lovely Christmas tree. Hearts are glowing full of joy since the gifts that we're giving and the love that we're living. Why can't it remain?
Why can't it remain?
Oh, through the years,
All through the years,
each day the same, Lord.
each day the same.
Oh, that's what I wanna hear. Oh, I tell you, it's truly amazing, that spirit of Christmas. Let me hear you.
Why can't it remain?
Oh, why can't it remain?
Where's Paul at? Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Each day the same.
Each day, every day stay the same. That's what I wanna hear. Listen to me, Lord, baby, it's truly amazing, that spirit of Christmas.